Oh, this is so nice. I'm sitting in a cornfield right now, and it's like mid-afternoon. I decided to come out here and get some fresh air, seeing as I couldn't do it this morning. Just made up. Mother Nature, eh? There we go. So I basically just been uploading a YouTube video this morning. If you would like to check it out, I will leave a link in the description box below. For those of you who don't know, my name is Alice Tilforth. My niche with making YouTube videos. So I'm still exploring that area. I did look to creating a YouTube series called The All-Landers, but I was struggling to come up with interesting ideas in order to continue on the series onto season 2 after I completed season 1. So I feel like I'm just on the verge with regards to coming up with decent scripts, and I struggle essentially to come up with smooth running scripts where I know what I'm going to say next and things like that. So I am still exploring my niche with regards to making YouTube videos. I am an artist and I feel passionately about painting horses, so it's just finding ways of making the videos more interesting and things like that. So yeah, but yeah, I just thought I'd come out here and get some fresh air and just chill for a little while, enjoying the sunshine. As you can see, I've got blue sky behind me, so I can see over there, just across the way behind me, that my brother has helped my dad to bale up the hay. Just busy trying to get the hay in at the moment. So I feel life's starting to come together now, just a little bit better than it has been. I've been quite ill recently. I had a cold that it was conjunctivitis, and it wasn't very nice. It was pretty nasty, so I for a whole week had to avoid meeting with my dad in the house to not spread the virus onto him. So especially after having had COVID, that wasn't very nice. But yeah, it's just it's nice being outside and just relaxing and things like this. I don't get to do I make time in my day where I'm not filling my day with doing this, that and the other to fill it up, so I'm exhausted by the end of the day and then I just want to sleep. I make time to achieve doing nothing for a little while. This is my time to basically sit, simply be and do nothing for a little while, even if it's just 5 minutes. So it's one of my favourite passions in life, simply being allowed to do nothing for a little while, just to reflect and gain a fresh perspective on the next right move from this point moving forward. So I'm going to sit up here actually. Let me just sit up. That's better. So there you go. That's better. Still got the bit of grass in the way. So I'm not really sure the direction of this channel just yet. except I know it's going to be art videos. I'm just not sure of the content of the art videos just yet. But I thought I'd have a little bit of a chit-chatty video with you this afternoon, have a catch up, and I'm slowly getting used. I struggle a lot with talking to the camera, I really do. It's like a different persona that comes about with regards to talking to the camera than off camera. Off camera I'm okay. With regards to my painting, but when the camera's on me I tend to freeze up, so that's the reason why I tend to paint a bit slower and more cautiously when I'm talking to the camera. I really have no clue at the moment with regards to the direction. Like, I live in the UK, it's rolling farmland, as you can see behind me. This rolling farmland. And in all honesty, it's quite boring where I live, but when you are spending most of your day inside, it's nice to just come out here and see flat areas of grassland like this and run around in bare feet and things like that. So I don't really know. But as you can see, the sun is shining. It's such a beautiful day, and even though it's just a bit of a chatty video today, I thought I'd make the background a bit more interesting than just a plain wall. So with the content of this video. So yeah, if you do happen to have any suggestions as to what you would happen to like to see, do feel free to leave them in the comment section below and let me know what you would like to see with regards to my journey of becoming a developing artist, and we'll see what we can do for you. So yeah, I think I'll leave it here for today with regards to having a chat with you all, and we'll catch up with you again very shortly. Bye for now. Such a beautiful day. Oh, it's so nice. Wow, sunshine is just such a great feeling. Even though it's way too warm with regards to global warming right now. But still, it's such a beautiful day.